everyone. Thanks for watching my Facebook page and YouTube channel. And I know exactly why you are here. I think you like me to teach you delicious and yummy food. I decided to cook that and make a YouTube channel because I've been cooking since last 35 years. And the reason I start cooking because I was very picky and I did not like the food anywhere else. So I decided to cook my Pakistani food, and I used to call my mom and my sister how to cook that. And other than that, I start my career with in food industry. So I start working in a Kentucky Fried Chicken, and I start that as a cook, cashier, then become store manager. And after that, I work in Popeye's Fried Chicken, Church Fried Chicken, and then I was manager in Papagino. So I learned so many things there, frying the chicken and making a pizza, sub, pasta, so and all that customer service, food quality, and so many those training classes I took. And so then I was also getting good in Pakistani food. So then I was involved in a few Pakistani restaurants, my own, and with a friend. And now since we have a COVID, I've been sitting home. And I decided to, why not, I start this YouTube channel and teach you whatever I know. And it's so many dishes. When I was counting, it's so many, and I think it can go a long way to teaching you. And also, I don't mind if you are living in my community, I can give you that cooking classes. And I never use any shortcut. There is always shortcut in cooking, but I never use any shortcut because I believe you always get good taste from your food if you are putting extra time. And I will make so simple for you. You will not think that it's too hard to make Indian Pakistani food. And its taste and smells so good. If anybody come your home, they can smell that taste, they smell that food as soon as they step in. And also that seasoning I was showing you, you don't have to buy that every single seasoning from the grocery store. What I did, I make a small packet of the seasoning. You can buy that, very little price. You will not even feel that. And it's already mixed in there. If you want to get that clean cut chicken, I can provide that, deliver that, especially in a community. And any question you have, you don't understand, you can ask me, and I will tell you exactly what to do. And I have the best basmati rice. If you like to get 2 pound, 3 pound, 1 pound, I can also give you that. So when you make vegetable fried rice, you make a biryani, and you will have everything in your hand.